Well, I just got here and I just pulled in down there. Came up a little hill. There's some more trails on that side, but they look like they go up pretty steep hills too. I'm gonna check this one out. I'm assuming all these hills are probably steep, as most power lines are. I'm not probably do that. Trail there. We'll keep going straight. Let's see how the next one is. Bottom out right there. Okay. Trail go in, trail go in. Steep trail down. I'm not going to be hauling out into this. I know some of this is probably wet still. We've been having a rain here lately, so I guarantee they ain't nothing dry for real. That don't look like much. Looks like I just got myself in some mud. Somebody try to set fire to some pallets. I guess the trails go the other way. We are in the woods. Let's see what we find. That looks pretty muddy. This trip might be cut a little short. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's definitely steep. If it was a try, I might. This is way too hard. It's drier out here because everything's been in the sun. Whew, that's a steep hill going down. Ooh, I'm sliding. That was scary. This is more for dirt bikes, side by side, four wheelers, probably. That could have been bad. If I would not have got my foot back on my rear brake right then, I would have ate it. Alright, well, let's see. Okay, let's just go this way.